Hello, this is needleprams.com, and today I will be showing you how to make this rose frame. What you need to replicate this project is a heart frame, acrylic paint, sponge brush, hot glue, and crocheted roses. So the crocheted roses are from the free rose pattern from Petals to Peacocks. If you are interested in seeing more photos or to get this rose pattern or supplies for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, needlepointers.com. By visiting our website and purchasing supplies through our links, you can help us to keep making more videos. So the first step to making this project is to paint the frame white. So I poured out some paint onto the cardboard, and I'm just going to paint the frame with the sponge brush. The paint is dry now, and now I can glue on the roses. So now it's done, and I've put in a picture, and I put all the roses on, and the whole project is done. This would make a great Valentine's Day gift for a loved one or friend. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find links to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other craft projects and tutorials.